Good morning friends. Today we will discuss quality pig feed in Pasupati. So for that, first we have to know what is quality feed, what is the characteristics of pig, and what is the nutritional requirements of the pig for their growth and development. Accordingly, the quality feed is prepared or manufactured. What is quality feed? The feed which provides all the nutrients adequately with palatability and digestibility is known as the quality feed. General characteristics of pig. Pigs are meat producing monogastric omnivore livestock animals. Monogastric means single compartmented stomach like poultry, horse or cats. And omnivores means they eat both plant products and animal products. So they are called omnivores. And they have high efficiency to convert feed into quality pork. So what is the nutritional requirements of pig? Like other animals, pig also require adequate amount of protein and the metabolizable energy and minerals and vitamins. So what is protein? Protein is a macromolecule which is made up of monomer amino acids. The monomer of amino acids are joined by peptide bonds to form proteins, and there are 20 different types of amino acids are present, and these amino acids combined in different sequences to form different types of proteins. The 20 types of amino acids are broadly classified into two groups: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids means these amino acids can be synthesized by the body. So these amino acids are not required from the outside sources. Essential amino acids means the body cannot synthesize the amino acids. So it needs these amino acids from the outside through the diet. So there are 9 essential amino acids. So what is the function of protein? Proteins are the building block of body. Means every part of body is made up of proteins. Then metabolizable energy. What is the main source of metabolizable energy? The main source of metabolizable energy is carbohydrate and fats. These energy are required for the growth and reproduction of pigs and also for the metabolic processes or biochemical processes taking place inside the body of the pig. Then minerals and vitamins. Mineral and vitamins are the immunity boosters. Immunity boosters means they develop the defense system so that the pig can fight against the antigens or pathogens, means disease causing organisms. So what is their function? Immunity booster, cell repair. Cell repair means if any wound or anything is there in the body, then it helps in the cell repair. And hormonal regulation. If hormones, different types of hormones are present inside the body. If hormones are not properly regulated, then the animals are suffering from many diseases. So same way, if in case of pig also, if the hormones is not regulated properly, then many pig will suffer from many diseases. So for the hormonal regulation, minerals and vitamins are necessarily required. Pasupati pig contains all the required nutrients which help in the growth and development of the pig, because in Pasupati feed, before manufacturing, the raw materials are selected which contains all the essential amino acids and essential fatty acids which is required for the growth, and the pig body cannot synthesize these things. That's why the feed, through the feed, these essential amino acids and fatty acids are provided to the pigs. So the Pasupati feed is the best quality feed.